Hey guys, it's Locke, and today I want to go over some of the add-ons and websites that I use for mount farming in World of Warcraft. The entire reason I started playing WoW was to mount farm, actually, and in the last 3 years, I have gotten 364 mounts, which is not all of the mounts that I could have, but that is a large chunk of mounts, especially for only have been playing for 3 years. So I want to go over some of the different tips and tricks that I use and the add-ons that I use, and maybe help some new mount farmers out there get started on their collection. So we're going to start off with HandyNotes. HandyNotes is a great map add-on that actually gives you icons on certain rares or items that are lootable in the world, and it will actually tell you what item the thing drops. So for example, this is a map of Maldraxxus, and we have a bunch of rares on the map, and if you hover over, you can see which rares drop mounts. And I think that that's super useful, especially if you're in a new zone and you have never been there before. You can kind of open up the map, look at the rares, and see what drops mounts or toys or whatever you're hunting. And it also will tell you if you've already collected it or if it's missing from your collection. So whenever you install HandyNotes, you're going to want to grab the main HandyNotes plugin, but then you want to go in and add HandyNotes plugins based on what zone you're wanting to farm things in. So for example, HandyNotes Draenor, HandyNotes Shadowlands, HandyNotes Argus. They have a lot of different add-ons for the actual add-on, and you can always uninstall them after you're done using them, but you just want to grab the ones that are useful for the zones that you are mount farming or mount hunting in. Okay, let's move on to Rarity. Rarity is amazing because it will tell you exactly how lucky or how unlucky you are with your mount attempts. It gives you the average number of attempts that it takes to get the mount, and then shows you how many attempts you have out of that number. But it will also keep, track of every attempt that you've had at a mount. So it's super useful. Can be disheartening, but I choose to look at it as a positive thing rather than a negative thing. Okay, let's move on. Saved instances. Saved instances is one of my favorite mount farming add-ons. I probably get the most questions about it, but it actually keeps track of your instances that you have done for the week. It gives you a button on your minimap that allows you to see what tunes or characters or alts or mains or whatever you want to call them, what your characters have done for the week as well. So it keeps track of your alts, keeps track of your main. Super useful for whenever you can't remember if you've ran something or not. And instance portals, this one is another favorite of mine because whenever I was a noob to mount farming, I would get very confused on what instances dropped what mounts. And instance portals gives you a instance icon on your map that you can actually click, and then it will take you to the adventurer's guide for that instance, and you can look at the loot table and it will tell you if there is a mount available or not for you in that instance. So if someone says go to Throne of the Four Winds and you have no clue where that is, the map also has it already marked so you can easily find it and mount farm a lot faster. Okay, so the last two are actually not add-ons. This first one is a website called simplearmory.com. It's very addictive. But you can go to collections on Simple Armory and see what mounts you have collected and what you haven't. So it will actually give you an empty space for the mounts that you haven't collected, and that's dangerous because you're going to get obsessed with trying to fill up this little page. It's also organized by expansion, PvP, and, has individual organized sections within each expansion for things like reputation mounts, achievement mounts, rare drop mounts, world boss mounts, everything. And as if that wasn't cool enough, it is also connected to Wowhead. So you can click on the mounts that you're missing or the mounts that you have, and it will take you to that mounts page on Wowhead. And then you can read the comments, figure out how to get the mount, all of that. Simple Armory is amazing. On top of that, guys, on top of that, it has a mount planner built into it. So you can click Show Planner at the top of your mount list, and it will actually give you a step-by-step planner on what instances to go to get mounts from. So if you ever don't know what to run for mounts, you have no excuse now. Here's a full list. And it also tells you things like if a mount is rerollable with a token or anything like that. I think it's very funny that this planner wants me to go run Siege of Orgrimmar because I'm not about that. And that's one mount that I will never probably have. So, and the last thing on the list is the WoW Secret Finding Discord. If you are a mount hunter, collector of any kind, you like pets, you like toys, get in this Discord. I have gotten so many really rare mounts because of the Discord. So you hop in, you give yourself roles based on what rare mounts you want, what hunter pets you want, anything like that based on your faction, your region. And they put up groups. They put groups together to help people get some super, super rare stuff. So basically, if someone tags the roles that you give yourself, you will get a notification whenever someone is trying to help other people get those mounts or get those pets or items or whatever it is you're looking for. And also within the community, they try to keep track of the different rares that have spawned, their timing. They really just, it helps a lot to be in the Discord, because if you're looking for specific rares, if you're looking for specific items, you're waiting on spawn timers, it helps to have a big community and they're tracking it with you and helping you get those really hard to obtain mounts and items, pets, everything. WoW Secret Discord is incredible. And there they are. There is my list of favorite add-ons for new mount farmers, any mount farmer really, specifically any of you new farmers out there who are just getting into mount collecting. I hope you enjoyed this list. Also, if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I also stream on Twitch every Monday through Thursday, play a lot of WoW. We've been raiding. We're doing heroic raiding currently. I mount farm a lot on Mondays. So if you like Twitch streams, please don't forget to check out my stream over there. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
I am touched by your support.
Yay, Golok, you gonna beat the boss and do lots of damage. Yep, good stuff. I believe in you. You got this. Very nice job doing those mechanics. This boss doesn't stand a chance. You have all our support to down this boss, and I hope you get really nice loot that you need in your slots, and I hope this donation is not distracting at all and that you can focus on doing big DPS and avoiding the boss damage. Please let me know if this donation is distracting and I will not do anything.